Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this product from the brand Vesca Beauty Co., which is a brand that I had never heard of before, but I love trying out new makeup brands, and this is a product I got in my August 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But so this here is the Soft Sun Radiant Skin Primer and Luminizer, which sounds exactly like the type of product that I would love. I love having glowy, radiant skin, or at least the appearance of it. This is vegan, cruelty-free. It says it's a multi-use priming lotion and luminizer to hydrate skin, which my skin is feeling very dry today. I'm definitely not as hydrated as I should be. It's also supposed to give skin the perfect tone and supercharged foundation with light diffusing glowy finish. And you can wear it alone, under foundation, or on top of your foundation. So I want to try this in all those different methods. I got this in the shade Sunrise. It comes in 3 different shades and it retails for $30. So here is how it looks. I feel like this looks like an expensive product, but okay, let's check it out. I'm just gonna squeeze out a little bit. Oh, it's a very beautiful looking kind of lotion texture, but it looks like pearl with the sheen of it. So to start out, I'm just gonna apply it to half of my face, and we can really see how my skin looks with it versus without it. Ooh, and I love the feel of it. It blends in like a thin lotion, so a little seems to go a long way. That's actually not giving as much glow as I was expecting, but it's definitely making a difference. You can see with it versus without it. It has that, like I said, light diffusing kind of shimmer hue to it. So it doesn't make my skin look like the Tin Man. It really does look like a very natural, glowing radiance to the skin. Like, I love how that looks just worn on bare skin. It definitely feels like it hydrated my skin. I don't think it really helped with like the large pores that I have here. If anything, it kind of emphasizes the pores from the shine. But I kind of want to go in with a little bit more and just see if I can build up the glow, since it is pretty natural, a little bit subtle. Yeah, I think that you can build up the glow. Wow. Like, my skin without it looks so dull compared to with it. Ooh. I am very impressed because it doesn't look like any sparkle or shimmer on the skin, yet it gives very beautiful glow. Seriously, exactly what I was hoping for. Next up, I want to try it mixed in with my foundation. So I'm going to go in with the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wear High Pigment Foundation. This is the foundation that I use when I try out primers these days. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one pump, and then I'm going to squeeze in just like an equal amount of the luminizer there. And let's mix it together, because then I think it's going to add some more hydration to the foundation and maybe a bit of glow as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this all over the face. I can definitely tell in my forehead, that's where I have the foundation fully covering my face, that this is the side without the primer underneath versus this one with the shine. even though I added some glow in with the foundation, I can still see that radiance from the primer underneath. So, wow, I'm just so impressed by this as a primer. It looks so good alone and under makeup. I don't feel like adding it to the foundation made too much of a difference. Maybe a little bit, but I think the biggest difference is just wearing it as a primer, because I can still see such a difference with it versus without it. I almost would say don't like waste the product mixing it in with the foundation. Just use it as an all-over primer underneath, and I think you're gonna see more glow that way. Because I mixed in quite a bit with the foundation for very minimal difference in how the foundation looks. But I love how my skin is still looking so glowing and radiant, even with a pretty full coverage matte foundation on top of it. It just looks healthier, more youthful. And now let's try out the third technique of applying it as a highlighter on top of my foundation. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my finger and see if I can tap it onto my cheek. And I wonder if it will sit well on top of the foundation, or is it going to lift it? Unfortunately, I think it's kind of lifting and removing the foundation, which can definitely happen with a liquid kind of highlight product like this. Yeah, I feel like it didn't really give me any highlight. Like, I definitely want more of a highlight shimmer glow than what this gives, and I don't really think this gives anything. So I'm glad I tried out all three of the techniques, but of course my favorite technique of this is to wear it on bare skin and under makeup. I just think it's an amazing glowing primer, or just glowing lotion. You could use it on the body as well to get some glow, but for the price point and the kind of small size of it, I'm gonna use this as a primer, and I am so excited about it. It just gives the most beautiful, radiant, yet very natural glow to the skin, which is what I'm looking for, what I want my skin to have. So wow, very happy with this. Now I want to try out more products from the brand Vesca Beauty Co. So if you've tried out this product or any of the other products from Vesca Beauty Co., let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, and let me know if you have any other recommendations of Vesca products that I should try out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.